So the first issue that I had, and the main issue, is the fact that there aren't two screw holes to mount it to on the bottom. So with this new setup, the RS2 has the screw holes in the pocket aren't right next to each other, you know, horizontally, they're vertically. So you can't get more than one screw in at a time. So immediately, if you use it throughout the day in a run and gun situation, such as a wedding, it's gonna turn and twist and get out of balance, and you gotta get it back on, and you lose your balance throughout the day. It's aggravating, and it takes away from actually filming because you're messing with gear. And so that's one of my biggest pet peeves is I don't want to mess with gear. I wanna keep it simple and get as much footage as I can. So how I fixed it was I got the small rig cage and made it a half cage. And then from there, I had to kind of jury rig it. Is that the right term? Jerry rig? I don't know. Anyway, so the three screw holes they have labeled for the RS2. If you put it on there with the 18 to 35 Sigma, it will not balance. So I don't know what the hell they were thinking. This is the most popular lens that is on any pocket, I would venture to say. But anyway, I had to use these other two screws that were further up, and I'll show you that here. Once I was able to move it over to the right, I was able to get it balanced perfectly. So now it slides on. I slide it all the way over. I will unlock all this, and you'll see it's perfectly balanced. Perfectly balanced. No issues. I got a little tilt on the screen. Look at that, perfect balance now. So the great thing about that is also if I want to use a Samsung T5, I can throw that in the bottom and I still have an extra cold shoe and a mounting point for the monitor. So it's kind of a win-win situation. Quick note I forgot to mention about this hack is you're not going to be able to get the second screw because it's not perfectly lined up. It's slightly cross-threaded. So you'll be able to get it down probably 25–30% of the way, but that's more than enough to keep it from spinning. It will not spin as long as you tighten the other one all the way down. And then the second one that's kind of cross-threaded, just screw that down just enough so it gets tight and it will not interfere with sliding in and out. So that's a quick note about that hack. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, okay. Hey, so if you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. Yeah, I mean,